How to see if someone has pinned you on their Snapchat. First of all, make sure that you have installed the latest version of Snapchat on your phone. If you have already done so, then you can simply open the Snapchat on your device. After opening the Snapchat, you can see the chat icon, and when you touch on this, you will see your friends. But here you don't see any other icons here to see that if they have pinned you or not. So how do you find if the following person have pinned you or not? You can simply pin on them by just tapping on them, and tapping on this first option will make your friend pin. But how do you know if they have pinned you or not? So unfortunately, Snapchat has not made this privacy available to see if they have pinned you or not. So the only option you can know if the friends have pinned you is by going through the device and see you. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.